Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Christmas and holiday week, and the Board of Trade grains will be closed on Wednesday, and we shut down early tomorrow. So there's expectations that our trade volume might be lighter than normal this week, and that might keep the trading ranges and price changes relatively quiet, but we'll see. It's cold here in Chicago. It's going to be cold across the Midwest. We don't think that's going to cause any problem to our wheat crop, but could cause some disruption in grain movement. So we'll see if that has any effect on the basis levels. Pretty much more of the same overnight. We had a nice rally on Friday on the closes. I think people were worried about South American weather and the corn, some new demand in the wheat, and weather problems in South America as far as the beans also. So not much rain over the weekend in Argentina. It was hot. It's still hot there. Crop is still early, and so it can handle this kind of stress. But it's a weather market, and it's interesting in that we talked to various weather forecasters and our weather forecaster, and they have dueling forecasts out there for Argentina for next week. It's that type of market. The majority of the people are dry next week. We have a few people, though, that see a good rain event for Argentina. So when we're sitting here at 1330 on the March beans with pretty strong overhead resistance at 1350, this could be a top of the market if it rains next week, or obviously it could go higher if it doesn't. So it's an important forecast for next week. Over the corn, we're about unchanged. We're sitting here pretty close to the 440 level on the March corn. That should be strong resistance. The thing about corn is that after the first year, the index funds are going to rebalance their money, moving from markets that are high to markets that are low, and corn market is considered one that's low, so they'll be buying a relatively large number of corn contracts. We'll see if that has enough oomph to push the market higher, despite the fact we think the 2013 crop is bigger and the prices eventually should go lower. Last week we heard about Brazil buying hard red winter wheat from the United States. We also heard about Egypt maybe buying some soft red winter wheat, and that kind of prompted prices to move up a little bit. But we still have big crops worldwide and potential for big crops in 2014, so that might limit the upside in the wheat market. So again, holiday week, we might see lower volume, lower price changes. South America, a very critical weather forecast for Argentina. Corn, we got the rebalance, and wheat, we've got some negative factors overhanging the market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.